Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I will do a video about tent pegs and why you should have extra of them. But before we dive into the video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Today we are going to talk about tent pegs. And tent pegs comes in different shapes and sizes, in different materials. Some come in aluminum like this, and there are those who are made in stainless steel as well. And I have stainless steel for my tarp, my DDXL tarp. And actually I lost one 10 peg for that tarp, so I had to buy a couple of more. So I had some extra there as well. And I bent one of my tent pegs for my 4-person tent. And I bent it really bad. So I can try to straighten that peg out, but if it bends again, it can break. So the other reason is you can lose your tent pegs. It happens. It happened to me. So it's always good to have a nice set of tent pegs extra with you, so you can be sure you have enough to set up your tent or your tarp. And these ones come with a neon green cordage, which is really nice, because the original tent pegs I have for my tent does not have that cordage, but it doesn't matter. It's good to have that cordage on these. And the other thing is, these are very cheap. So why not buy a couple of extra? This contains 4 pegs in one package. So I have 8 pegs here. And I will buy a couple of more to have some more spares if something happens, because it will happen that I might lose or break a tent peg. So always have a decent set with tent pegs at home. Stock up on them, they're cheap, so why not? That is what I'm going to do anyway. I will buy more of these if I can find them again. And well, I think that's all for today's video, guys. And thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thank you for your support. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos and go live. And remember, be part of the solution, not the problem. Stay safe. God bless. Strength and honor. ShadowScoutSwede out.